Hey you guys, how is it going today? I am so excited to finally be able to plant these yam with you today. Yep, this is how much they have sprouted. It's basically a plant now. If you guys enjoy videos of, gardening, DIYs, be sure to be subscribed to my channel and hit that bell notification so that you'll be notified when new videos are out. You can also connect with me through Instagram or Facebook where I do some instant updates that happens more in real time. In case you guys have not seen my previous episodes on harvesting the yam and how to cook it, I will link it down below for you because this is not like the typical or the common yam that we know in America as like sweet potato or yams. This is actually a true yam. So I want to, plant this out with you guys so you can see how they look. Normally you can start planting them once you get them to sprout, like even for like a few inches. It's gonna be a little tough to carefully work this out and to be careful and not to break anything. Okay. You can see I'm making so much. This is so much harder than it needs to be just because I waited so long to plant this out, so it's a little crazy. Let's go ahead and clip these up. All right. Let's bring you guys in close and see what this looks like. As you can see that I've placed just these tubers right on top of the soil, did not even have to bury it, and they'll start kind of sprouting, and you can see these really thick crazy roots growing already. I actually placed this on a heating mat because it was left on the patio greenhouse, so it was still relatively cold, in the winter, but that would kind of the heat will help speed up the germination or the sprouting process. You can see this is the part you eat right here. This is the tuber. It can definitely get a lot bigger than this. Since this is, I'm still pretty new at growing this, I haven't figured out, is it the heat or is it that it dried out multiple times in the previous pot, so it didn't get very big. But this is basically the tuber that you eat, and then you can see it's like the top part of the tuber is where they would germinate from. For example, this other one here, this is really just a piece that I cut out. So I ate the other part of the tuber, and I left with just about a couple inches of the top where the stem grows from, and then the new plant or the stem would start sprouting from the top here. So that's really just the part you want to keep when you want to plant them. So that's about it, and I just kind of kept watering it from time to time, just keeping the soil a bit moist. I've seen a couple of them where I cut off the heads and just kind of left it, out in the open for like a week or so without watering. It would still kind of start sprouting, but then to increase the speed of, the germination or the sprouting process, I actually water this tray. So, okay, plant. I'm going to separate you guys, and then we're going to be planting them in their new home in the back side right here on the trellis. Let's get my gloves on. Or, how should I do this? Okay, I hope you guys can see. Wow, oh my gosh, I want you guys to look at this. This is insane. Look at the root system here on the bottom. Oh boy, this is gonna be fun to take apart. Okay, you guys, stay put. Here we go. Here's one. You gotta see up close here. Woo. So this is the head of it. This is where I chopped off and ate, you know, the rest of the tuber. Here's one. Look how beautiful this plant is. I really love this vine. When it starts out, it's purple, the roots are purple, the young leaves are purple. Once it hits the sun, it gets more green. Such a crazy root system. So thick and beautiful purple. If it gets too hard, you can just cut it off. You can cut off right here. I try not to, but it is really hardy. It's not going to kill it, but I really want to not shock them because I want the leaves to maintain beautiful and not wilted and all that. Like break it out, if you can see. There we go. You can break it out and just eat this tuber. Let's just see if this would continue to grow. Okay, the next time we harvest, let's just see if this is gonna grow. Alright. So there's another one. Oh boy. Wow. Okay. Ooh. Sheesh, look at this. Check this out, guys. Oh my gosh. You see that? Move this out of the way. All right, now we're gonna get to planting. Let's, okay, you guys, let's share your space. Okay, my bad. I can't plant here. I forgot I planted the sun joke. Whoops. Alright guys, I'm so excited to get all these planted. I cannot wait to see them continue to grow, and hopefully I'll get some better or bigger tubers this time. Thank you so much for joining me out here to garden, you guys. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to this channel and hit the bell button so that you'll be notified once a new video is out. You can also follow me on Facebook or Instagram, where I do some instant updates of my life. And if you would like to support my work, I really would appreciate it. You can go check out my website at wendiland.com. I will leave the links of everything that I mentioned in this video just in the box below. Thank you guys. Happy gardening. See you right back here in the next video. Bye.